Yes, but on that fateful morning, I was sitting at my living room, relaxing, watching Edo walked in to tell me that he's about going to the market.
Okay, good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Are you off to the market?
Yes, sir.
When you go to the market, tell Chokube to organize the money of the goods we sold yesterday.
All right, sir.
And give to you. You know what to do.
Yes, sir.
Go and lodge it into the bag.
Bye-bye, sir.
No, then I prepared on my own to go to the market, as usual. Getting to the market, I noticed that Chinedu wasn't there. I was surprised because it has not happened before. Then I called my wife to see if Chinedu came back home to collect one or two things. She said no. I was surprised. I waited till the market dismisses. Yet, Chinedu did not come back. Okay, I left the market and went back home. When I got home, I noticed also that Chinedu wasn't home. The whole thing got me confused. Then I had to rush to the police station. And I made a report. Up till now, I've not seen Chinedu. I had to come to the village to let you people know about it.
Kevin, you are our son and we are your kinsmen. I want to ask you a question. Please, tell us the truth, nothing but the truth. Did you have any quarreling or misunderstanding with Chinedu before he disappeared?
Not at all. I've never quarreled with him, neither my wife.
And you don't have problem with him?
We're actually living in peace.
I'm Kevin. From all indication, you are answerable to Okonkwo's son disappearance.
I do not know Chinedu's whereabouts.
Shut up! You bloody liar! My others, please tell this young man here to provide my brother. He knows where he is. Yes! I'm my brother!
Honestly, read my lips. I do not know where he is.
Now listen. I am giving you 24 hours to provide my brother. Yes! Yes!
Jidofo, as you can see, we are having elders meeting here and not a child meeting.
And may the gods of our land strike that to your mouths. Conspirators. But I'll show you one thing. You see this one? This one will choke all of you. This one will choke all of you. Conspirators. Don't come my now.
Therefore, one more word from you. I will dismiss this meeting. And this matter will be like that. If you think you can handle this issue on your own, why bring it to us? Okonkwo, talk to your son. Kevin is our son. And Chinedu that is missing is also our son. Kevin, are you sure you don't have any hand in the missing of Chinedu?
100%.
Well, Can you swear to an oath that you don't know anything about the disappearance?
I'm ready.
Dikeh. Una no na ihe okwu.
Okonkwo. Biko ewukwa n'iwu. Ị nwere onye ala na be gị? Ị nwere onye ala na mmadụ ka mmadụ na be gị?
Ajuleni si ndara. Iru nwa.
Temptation, gotta go my troubles everywhere. Sabu, I gotta go my room, I'm where she can see. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere.
I'm your father. She is your mother. And this is your sister. I want to ask you again in their presence. Did you say you have no hands in disappearance of the son of Okonkwo?
But I have no hand in his disappearance.
Brother, I know why Papa is saying this. And I know you do too. The deity of this land does not spare anyone that is guilty. It kills instantly and takes the person's property. Of course you are aware of that.
What is it? Why all this interrogation? Even a layman knows that my son is innocent. Go ahead and swear the oath. I am 100% sure that you're innocent. Nothing will happen to you. Ogenede.
Papa, I am very disappointed at you. But you can't even trust me. I'm kind of a bit disappointed. Even you. You can't even stand for me at my back.
No, brother, please. Do not misunderstand me. I just want to be sure.
Like I said, I am disappointed.
My son, as your sister rightly said, do not misunderstand us. You are going to swear with Ngene. And as you know, Ngene is a very powerful deity that is being worshipped by 7 communities. It does not spare anyone that is guilty.
I am ready to swear. Are you happy now?
Ifunanya! Papa! Come! Someone is at the gate.
Okay, let me get the key.
Papa, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Jennifer, you don't feel bad.
What are you eating?
Nothing.
Catch yourself. How was the trip?
Oh, thank God.
Thank God.
Yes. Papa, this thing I'm hearing about Mazu Okonkwo's son, is it true?
Jennifer, it is true. It's not been long they left here.
Yeah. They left. What are they doing here?
Meeting, of course. And they concluded that Kelvin would go to Egene Shrine and swear.
Just like that. And he agreed.
He does not have a choice. That is the only way he can prove he's innocent.
Right. What kind of temptation is this?
That's by the way. Let me go inside and get you something to eat.
You brought something for me? Of course, there's lots of goodies for you.
My happiness is that he has agreed to swear to Ngene.
And I'm so happy. You know, he accepted with joy, thinking Ngene before Mwazi. Ngene is not child's play. Okay, Tiala. And I'm watching tonight soon. And one thing I love about Ngene is that she does.
Leave me alone now. What is all this now? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone now. What is all this? Leave me alone now.
Let me tell you something. No matter how tall you think you have grown, the okra tree cannot grow taller than its owner. Therefore, you, all you're doing, you cannot intimidate me. I'm your father. I know you very well. Papa. Go in there and give me my money.
Papa did not take any money now. What is all this? The money I saw was your money. I did not take it. I did not take anything. You don't do me buy anything now. What is all? Papa, leave me alone now. Leave me alone now. Leave me alone now. Why are you disgracing me?
Shut up there. I'll disgrace. You went in there, collected under my bed. Hey! Under my bed, you took my 5,500 naira. This boy, this idiot.
What I saw there was 500 naira. And he did not, I cannot even buy anything with it. What is all this now, Papa? Leave me alone now.
Shut your mouth. What were you doing there? The fact that you went there and saw 500 naira shows that you entered my husband's bedroom. And went to check under his pillow. So what are you doing under his pillow? No, what were you doing under his pillow? If we are Wapiru, and the money is where? My friend, give my husband back his money. What is wrong with you? Your mates are in the city doing something to protect their lives and you are here doing nonsense.
Mama, I did not take anything now. What is all this now?
Why did you know there was 500 naira inside her under his pillow?
I just fear Wepanya. Choma, talk to your father.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Instead of you to go out there, hustle, bring back money to your old father, you don't ever stealing the ones that he said.
How dare you talk?
How dare what?
If you talk to me like that, I will slap your face. Are you mad?
Try it.
Are you me?
Try it and face my wrath. Yes.
So plan work, Abi?
Yes, simple plan.
Okay.
Work, whatever you call it.
No problem. No problem.
No, you slap my face.
No problem.
First he came with a kick and slap. Don't look at him.
Hey, Papa.
Okay.
Hey, what? Make blood. See blood, Mama. See blood.
Idiot.
Don't worry. Idiot. You will come back and meet me in this house. Okay? I know of you. If you don't call it. After
smoking that nonsense on he will come back to look for
you. It's your son, it's the way you brought him up. If you had corrected him in bonnet,
if you have corrected him in bonnet as if he grew up here. Boy? To do boy because he could not pay his fees.
Yes.
That's your fault. Yes.
Look at you. You are fair. My daughter is fair. Even the cat to go, it's not so dark. Where did you get this one?
What are you? What are you?
Come and sit down.
Jennifer! Hey!
Welcome.
Sit down, welcome.
Thank you.
Don't mind them.
How are you? Hey, welcome. Oh, thank you.
Jennifer, how are you?
I'm fine. When did you return? Yesterday evening.
Did you say yesterday evening?
Yes.
And you didn't bother to tell me?
No, I came back very, very late, so I didn't bother coming.
You should have called.
Hey, but I'm here now. I'm here.
Welcome.
Mama, I heard what happened though.
My dear, of course, what has happened.
No, Mbao, such evil is not in our kindred.
But I'm going to just come in.
There's every first time.
My sister, the deed has been done. We don't have power to fight Kevin, but we've left him for Ngene. Let Ngene fight for her child.
And he agreed to swear to Ngene.
He has no choice. No choice. He has to.
Well, wow.
How are you?
Keeping up now?
It's not easy.
Thank you. How are you?
Yeah?
It went well.
Okay.
We finally resolved that I'm going to swear Ngene.
What?
Yeah.
God forbid. Swear what?
Babe, I'm going to swear Ngene. What's there?
What do you mean you finally concluded you're going to swear Ngene?
Yes, it's just an ordinary swearing. Then everybody's fine.
Kelvin, you will not swear Ngene.
Babe, come on, I'll do that. Okay, there's nothing there. Come
What
on,
are you talking about? You concluded, you agreed with them. You're so relaxed about it.
Babe, it's just ordinary Ngene. Kulumbili Ngene. Come on, let's go inside.
You concluded.
My love, I am going to swear Ngene. It's just an Ngene. Kulumbili Ngene. What if it there?
What is you will not swear Ngene? What do you mean you concluded with them?
Don't be scared. It's just an Ngene. Okay?
Kevin, this is not funny.
Babe, calm down. Nothing is going to happen to me. Okay?
Kevin, over my dead body. Okay? Over my dead body will I allow you go to the village to swear Ngene? You will not swear Ngene. You want to make me a widow? I don't want you to die.
Are you scared? I won't die, babe. Nothing will happen to me, okay? I will swear Ngene.
Kevin, I do not want to know whether you will die or not. All I am saying is that my husband will not swear Ngene. Period.
Dad.
My dear.
I thought you were a Christian.
Yes, I'm a Christian, but being a Christian does not stop me from proving myself.
Kevin, I am your wife. You will listen to me. I know you usually do not like listening to me on certain issues, but on this issue, Kevin, you will listen to me.
Dad, you have to listen to Mommy.
It's against the Bible.
Yes.
And the same Bible says, give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and God what belongs to God.
That's a lie, Kevin. You know that is not what we are talking about. It's totally different. Kevin, I will not let you swear Ngene. Period. You will not.
Anyway, I don't know how you're seeing it or how you want to see it, but the truth is that I'm actually going to swear Ngene to prove my innocence.
You will not swear Ngene.
Babe, come. Ngene is also Ngene. Yeah? Ngene is nothing. You understand what I'm trying to say? So explain to your mommy, okay?
Dad, it's not good. Just listen to Mommy.
I'm gonna get water for me to drink. Then we'll get it. Come. Yeah, you can let go. What did you write it?
1 bag.
For
That's really great.
you sold it for 1,000. For what? But I thought it's 1,200.
The person is
Don't worry, I'll use your money and replace it. Just go.
Hey.
Just go.
Okay.
Just go, my friend. Oga.
This one is how much? Sir.
How much did I tell you before? That finished. 2,200.
This one will come.
Same thing.
Somebody wanted to buy it 147, but no problem. I thought it's 1,596.
It's like I like this particular ties.
This one per square, now 4.2. But if you want it in carton, we'll give you 6,200.
No, it's too much. You know.
It's not too much.
It's
Go
too
ask
much.
other people.
No, it's too much. You know. The 6,500 for the carton is too much. I cannot buy this size 6,500. Last time I bought this size 3,800. Even yesterday, even yesterday, I bought this size.
Price it now. Price it now. What you are talking about is as from 2 months, 3 months.
What is going on?
Sir, I want to buy this size, but your sales girl said that now 4,200 for the square meter. Why 6,200 for the carton?
She even made a mistake. That thing is 4.3. That thing is 4.3.
But sir, I bought this particular size yesterday.
Okay.
3,800 naira.
Dollar added money, oh, my brother. Things are increasing every day. Okay? But how many cartons are you buying?
I did up to 100 cartons on this.
100. I'll give you 4-1.
It's too much. Okay. When I give you 3,850. 3,850.
Hey!
Chairman, calm down.
No,
Okay.
this one is not German matter. I mean, things are the tax that we used to buy 3,000. Now is, you understand if I start explaining.
Okay.
I am going to give to you 4,000 naira last.
Okay. This size, because first of all, check the quantity I want. It's 100 cartons. 100 cartons.
Oh my God, 100 cartons.
Let me give you 3,950.
No,
Just 15 naira is different.
No. See, it's what we sell of 4.3. I'm giving you 4.1, from 4.1 to 4,000. Eh? I think it's fair enough.
I'm selling it 4.52. I don't know why you are
See?
too much like that.
You see? My brother, that's the last price. Oh?
4,000 last?
That's the last price. You can check other places and see that I just did well for you.
No, just that, like the ties. I like the ties.
You will love that.
Yeah, I've reduced
You will love it.
500 for you. You are here complaining.
Okay, now there's no problem. Just make the invoice.
Okay.
So that
Call all these boys so they will help you to pack it.
Because it's very heavy. I can't carry it. Obina!
Is there no other way Kelvin can prove his innocence apart from swearing again?
What other way? There is no way he can prove himself innocent apart from that.
But Papa, Shoma told me that her mother went to see a prophet who told her that Kelvin used her son, Chinedu, for ritual. And that is why they insisted that he must swear in Guinea.
No, I think Kelvin is the reason why people are suspecting him. Because why would he buy a car in the middle of Chinedu's disappearance?
This thing you just said now is the cause of everything. Even if he's innocent, he has made himself to look guilty. How could he buy a car in the middle of this problem?
Well, even at that, I still don't believe he did it.
The same here, Papa. I can't still believe that Kelvin did exactly what he said he did. I was like...
Until he used both of you to do ritual.
Papa, he's too innocent for that.
See, let me tell you one thing. You see those people that look very innocent, they are dangerous. better run from them.
But Papa, he said Chinedu is a good boy. So I don't see a reason why he will use Chinedu for ritual or any other thing.
Exactly what I'm saying. Besides, Kelvin had money even before Chinedu joined him in the city.
See, let me tell you, money.
So what is he doing? I don't know.
Money, you can't be satisfied with money. Even millionaires are still looking for money. By the way, who cooked this food?
I, Papa, can testify.
It's me. But don't mind this girl, she's lying. No, it's me.
I don't understand.
Papa,
which of you?
Papa, it's me.
Just because she helped me and grate the tomatoes, she's now claiming that she was the one that cooked the food.
It's me that cooked. I'm the other one.
But can't you testify to my food?
Okay, you cooked this food.
Yeah.
But you know the taste of my food.
I know. This food is very salty.
Okay, it's not me. It's Jennifer.
Is it for now?
God forbid, it's Jennifer.
Is it for
okay, it's not you again.
No, but you know what I can do now?
Not me.
Me. Salty food.
Mom, why are you not eating?
Oh. I am going to eat. Do you like the food?
Let's baby, my hands are clean. Let's baby, I have no hands in this. Temptation, I gotta go. Everywhere. Sabu, I gotta go. I'm where she can see. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere.
Thank you, yeah? Chekube, please come. Chekube, keep this food. I don't have appetite anymore.
Sir, ever since Chinedu got missing, you have been starving yourself. Believe me, Chinedu is fine anywhere he is.
What is that rumor going on in the market?
They say that you use Chinedu for ritual. People that know you very well know that you can't do such a thing.
Do you believe I did it?
Go for it. Okay, how can I believe such a thing? I know that you can't do a thing like that.
It's okay.
But Oga, you have to eat your food.
I'll eat later. Go and keep it. Fine.
This is what you used to tell me every time. Oh.
It's okay, Chekube, go.
Let's baby, my hands are clean. Let's baby, I have no hands in this. I know.
So,
yes, we will take it to him. Hi, darling.
Dad.
Did you do it?
Did I do what?
Did you kill him?
Will you shut up your mouth?
Daddy did not do it. I did not kill Chinedu. Okay?
but if I may ask, why did you ask me that kind of question?
Since you came back from the market, you haven't been your usual self. Even mommy. Dad, who's the problem?
You can tell me the truth. Wait, shut up your mouth! Go there. To your room. Right now, go to your room!
My darling, come. Don't you trust Daddy? Daddy did not do it. Sweetheart, I'll be traveling to the village tomorrow.
Why?
For the swearing. Being
For the swearing. Kevin, you and I have spoken about this and we've gone back and forth. So what are you talking about?
Babe, what will people say if I don't do it? What will be my fate? I just have to go and defend myself, okay?
Kevin, I do not care about what people will say. I don't care. They should talk. I would face the shame. I do not want to lose you, my husband.
You're not going to lose me. Nothing will happen to me. I will not die because I'm innocent. Okay? I will not die. I will live to declare the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. So, man, will be comfortably. What if I am, okay?
Kevin, I am not disputing the fact that you're innocent. You won't listen to me. You will not listen to me. No problem. You will not listen to me.
Papa in Ghana. Okay, why? Stop this now. Stop crying. Stop crying. Huh? Babe, stop this. Stop doing this. I was serious.
Who will speak for me? Let's baby, my hands are clean. Let's baby, I have no hands in this. Rapubamo, nakamoni ocha. Yachimo, whenever tired. Let's baby, my hands are clean. Let's baby, I have no hands in this. Temptation, I gotta go my troubles everywhere. Sabu, I gotta go my room. I'm where she can see. Temptation, troubles.
The truth is that I am not happy with you people. Yes. You care about what people say over my own husband's life.
Sandra, nothing will happen to your husband because he's innocent.
Of course he's innocent. I'm not even disputing that. My question is, why do you trust these men? Huh?
My daughter, Ngene is not an ordinary deity. Nobody plays game with Ngene. Oh, that is the truth.
So what if they play the game behind Ngene's back?
My daughter, please. Mind how you speak of Ngene. Just like my wife rightly said, Ngene is not an ordinary deity. Nobody can play any game. Nobody can give any bribe. Even if you are in diaspora. Huh? As far as my son's hands are clean, you don't have to be afraid of anything.
Daddy, before you leave tomorrow, we'll pray for you.
That would be nice.
Oh, Polish one, come here. Why are you, all of you laughing at me? Didn't I call it well?
Grandma, it's not funny.
But one Polish.
Oh yeah, call it. Let me hear it. Call it.
Poch.
Poch.
Yes. Poch is for shining of shoe. Okay.
Poch.
And what's the meaning of Poch?
A wonderful name, a wonderful English name, yeah?
A posh means something good and elegant.
Oh, but you people should try and be giving our children Igbo name.
Papa Dikeh, Igbo name Dikeh.
Like Chioma, Ifeoma, Obianuju.
Ombochimere. Or Chinahoke?
Mbao.
Where are those ones coming from?
Papa, you named me Blessing. Is Blessing an Igbo name?
Ngozi no Blessing.
Oh, you have been calling me Blessing. Blessing.
Everybody knows the meaning of blessing.
We know the meaning of pot.
It's English.
I did not know. I'm hearing it for the first time.
Now you know, Papa.
Meaning.
Hey! Okome. Ngene Nenzu. Ngene. Date of 7 community. Eke. Oye. Afọ. Nkwo. Elekọta ụmụ gị. Ngene. The people are here to seek for justice. Calvin, I don't know if you know anything about Ngene. Makanas Nigeria fan agbananti agbananya. Ngene is a goddess of justice. Ora achokwa okwu mana achoni ya. Maka na nwere ebele. She shows no mercy. Kevin want to call Kafo. Kevin want to call Kafo.
Adangene.
Kevin want to call Kafo. Moleka boy. Should I continue or do you have anything to say?
Adangene, continue.
Eke. Oye. Afọ. Nkwo. Go ngene mmili ọma ngene. Go ngene mmili ọma ngene. Go ngene mmili ọma ngene. Hey. Ha! Goddess of justice. Nwanyị ọma. Nwanyị na-agbalụ ụmụ ya ọgụ. Okome. Taa bụ ụbọchị akara aka. Taa bụ ụbọchị akalụ. Gosi ife iji bụrụ goddess of justice. Kelvin. Repeat after me. If I know anything about Chinedu's disappearance.
If I know anything about Chinedu's disappearance.
Let Ngene strike me.
Let Ngene strike me.
Let her show herself in 14 days.
Let her show herself in 14 days.
And nothing will stop it.
And nothing will stop it.
Drink. Ngene nwanyị ọma. Ngene. Go ngene mmili ọma ngene. Ha! Ngene nwanyị ọma. Go ngene mmili ọma ngene. My elders, you can go. Hey! Ngene nwanyị ọma. My elders.
Who is calling for war? Aganeri Simpano. Don't call for war. Manugada. state of confusion. Your temper is high. Pray to your God. Ask for more wisdom. This is temptation. If I'm
Then I asked him if he was sure of himself. I said, yes, yes, go on. So,
Papa, let me tell you something. Forget about this, his confidence. This one will choke him. Gaga, my dear. Yes!
Well, Ezeokumo, I am not doubting it. Ojigoli fell no wala. Man, I got charger.
If he likes, let him die right now. I don't care.
Oh, Choma, you don't need to worry yourself. Allow Ngene to do her job.
Anyway, that one is over. I'm Choma. Please, get me something to eat. I'm so hungry now. But in fact, I can finish a whole goat. Only me.
Hey.
As it stands now. Yes.
Papa Jidofo, won't you take your bath?
I can do that later. Okay. Jide, go and put water for me. Let me bath.
Please, go and put water for him
Let me
to take
bath.
his bath.
After visiting the deity, first thing you're supposed to do is to wash up your legs and your hands and face.
You forget, I'm also a deity myself. I'm not a deity.
Come, Poppy, let's
I'm
go
a
inside.
deity. Yeah?
Come
I'm a
inside.
deity.
Deity.
Yes. I'm also a deity.
I'm coming. I'm coming. It's your day. Welcome. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine. What about your mom? She's in her room. Okay. Let me call her. Alright. Mommy, Auntie Oge is here.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please. Hi.
When did you return?
That time I called you. That's when we came back.
Okay, so how did it go?
My dear, it went well though. We got to the village and I was going to start making trouble about the swearing. But then my father-in-law called me, sat me down and explained in details about Ngene. And he made me understand that Ngene never hurts an innocent person. So I had to relax.
So, what about bribing Ngene?
I thought about it. But then he explained to me that Ngene can never be bribed. That people that tried it in the past died instantly.
Wow. That's so nice to hear. It has been my concern all this while.
What would you now say about me? I've been so worried. But after my father-in-law explained everything, I'm relaxed though.
I believe they've gotten what they wanted, right?
Exactly. They have gotten what they wanted. I am very sure that they are waiting for my husband to die. It's not going to happen. They are mad. My dear, pardon my manners.
It's okay.
What do I offer you? Don't worry. I know what you like.
Okay, no problem. Anyways, that's their business.
Jennifer.
Yes?
What are we doing here? Who are we waiting for?
We were waiting for Choma.
Choma. Is she going with us?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
I don't want to go again.
Wait there. What do you mean by you are not going again? After you kept us waiting, you just come and say you are not going again. I don't understand. What is even your problem, Choma? What is eating you up? Because I've been keeping quiet doesn't mean I don't know what to say to you.
Blessing, please don't start. Please,
Jennifer,
don't start.
stay away from this. Stay away from this. Let me talk to this idiot. What is your problem? What are you feeling like? Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Am I my brother that used your brother for ritual like you claim? What is the problem?
I can see Ngene has started her work already. However, I can be of great help by finding a sizable coffin for you in case death comes. Because you and your family will soon be wiped off.
You are a fool. You are the biggest fool I've ever seen in my entire life.
You, your father, your mother, everybody in your family, including your generation, are big fools.
How dare you? How dare you call my parents fools? How dare you? Are you mad? You're very stupid. Ow! You slapped me. You slapped me. You slapped me. Stop. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. Today. I'll kill you. I'll kill you today.
Jidofo.
Mama?
Now that Chinedu's case is like this, is it not the right time for you to turn a new leaf? As the only son Anna Fuanya now.
So what do you want me to do?
As the man of the house.
Why don't you? You will not respect yourself. You will not respect yourself.
What happened to you? Huh?
Is it not blessing? Is it not blessing? Jennifer and I decided to go to the stream to fetch water. All of a sudden, Oma Chaputa, saying that she wanted to go with us. And I decided that if she's coming with us, I won't go again. That's all. I did not insult her, and this girl pushed me. Then I grabbed her for a fight.
I hope you beat her.
Mama, trust me. Trust me, I gave her the beating of her life.
Hey! Ago! See, listen, next time, if she tries that nonsense again, by nearing you, shoulder, give her a wound.
Stupid girl.
Choma, what is the problem?
Which one is what is the problem? Were you deaf? Did you not hear me? I had a fight with Blessing. You can't move because I don't have to move.
Did you enjoy her very well?
I did not enjoy her. I did not enjoy her because I don't want to end up in the police cell. But you see the beating I gave that girl? In next 10 years, she will not forget it. She will not forget it. Onyala, Mama, you see that girl? You have to go and warn her mother for me. Tell her mother to warn her anywhere she sees me, let her keep running. I got for 1 week. Anywhere I see Blessing, I will continue fighting her. For 1 week.
Make it 6 months.
That's stupid.
I want to fight Iruka, sir.
This fight is going to continuation.
Nonsense.
Blessing, fighting my... Ha! Blessing, fighting my own sister. Ha, Arume. Mama, do you hear that? Blessing.
Temptation, I carry go my troubles everywhere. Sabu, I carry go my room, I'm where she can see. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere. Temptation, yeah, troubles everywhere. Abonyage pulumonum nakamudioche kapwete rakumanumo nakamudioche. Who will speak for me? Whenever tired, let's me be. My hands are clean. Let's me be. I have no hearts in this. Rakumanumo nakamudioche. Ejimobimo whenever tired, let's me be.
You didn't fetch your water again. What happened?
Is it not Chioma? She fought me.
What did you do to her?
Nothing. She saw me and she said she wasn't going to the stream again. That was after she ignored my greetings, so...
Yes, Mama, that's true.
It's okay. We all know why she's behaving like that. Only, give me my pocket. Later in the evening, we'll go and settle. Go inside.
We just started though. 7 days straight fight. Every 7 days I see Chioma, I will fight her. No. In this village, yes.
I am not in support of that. Oh. Don't fight anybody, Biko. Biko. Don't fight her. I don't like trouble. Oh. You know why she's behaving like that.
I told her already.
Thank you. Thank you for bringing her back.
Sorry, Mama. It's okay. Let me take my leave now.
You can go now. Greet your father for me.
I will, Ma.
Go. No wonder these things keeps falling. Because of that, their fights. That's why all these things falling. I knew it. There's something
everywhere. Abonyage kulumonu nakamudioche kapwete rakubamu nakamudioche. Who will speak for me? Whenever tired. Let's be my answer clean. My answer clean. Let's be I have no hands in this. Rakubamu nakamudioche. Yachimobimu whenever tired. Let's be my hands are clean. Let's be I have no hands in this. Temptation, I gotta go my troubles everywhere.
All I do, I'm finding it very difficult, but it's my fate.
They have beaten you, right? They have beaten my husband.
It's okay, my love. It's okay, huh? It's okay.
It's not okay.
Very fine.
Please, just be strong.
You should stop crying. Stop crying.
I'm so sorry. Sorry, stop.